In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Gmail account auto logout or sign out problem in Google Chrome on your PC or laptop. If you've been frustrated with having to log back into Gmail every time you open Chrome, don't worry. There are some simple steps that can help solve this issue. First, let's begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once it's up, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. You'll see a three-dot menu, which is often referred to as the Chrome menu or the More button. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From this list of options, go ahead and select Settings. This is where we'll be making some adjustments. Now that you're in the Settings page, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen where you'll see several categories. I want you to find the option that says Privacy and Security. Once you spot it, click on that option. This is an important section as it controls how your data is managed and protected while you're browsing. Within this Privacy and Security section, you need to find and click on cookies and other site data. Cookies play a vital role in maintaining your login status on websites, including Gmail. Clicking this option will bring you to a new page where you can configure how cookies are handled in Chrome. The first thing you want to check here is whether the setting Clear Cookies and Site Data when you quit Chrome is enabled or not. This option should be turned off. When this setting is on, Chrome deletes all cookies every time it is closed, signing you out of websites, including Gmail. So make sure this setting is disabled to maintain your login even after exiting the browser. This alone could be causing the frequent signouts you're experiencing. Next, scroll down a little and you'll see a section labeled Always Delete These Sites Data when you close Windows. This is another important area to check because it allows for exceptions where data from specific sites gets deleted every time you close Chrome. If you notice any Google-related entries in this section, remove them. Just click on the trash can icon or use whatever deletion method is available to clear these entries. Doing so ensures that data from these sites, such as cookies from Gmail, will not be erased, allowing you to stay logged in. By following these steps, you should resolve the issue of being logged out of Gmail whenever you exit Google Chrome. It's all about making sure the cookies related to your accounts remain intact. If you're still having issues, double-check these settings or consult additional support options. I hope you found these instructions helpful, and thank you for watching.